In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have Jira connected to Outlook so your emails, calendar, and chats can live right alongside your issues, making updates faster and collaboration smoother. Start by opening Jira in your web browser. On the left navigation panel, click Apps, then choose Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 for Jira. When you see it in the results, select it and click Install. This is the official app that connects Jira with Outlook and Microsoft 365 services, including Teams. If you don't see the Install button, you might need site admin permissions, so check with your administrator. After installation, click Microsoft 365 for Jira to open its setup area. Here, review the permissions, sign-in options, and how data will flow between Outlook and Jira. Take a moment to confirm what your organization allows, and choose the interaction settings that match your project's needs, things like which mailboxes can be connected and how information is displayed on issues. Clear, appropriate permissions now prevent access problems later. Next, go to your Jira project and open any issue. You'll notice a Microsoft 365 drop-down on the issue view. It includes sections like People, Chats, Emails, and Meetings. People surfaces relevant contacts from your directory, Chats connects to Teams conversations, Emails lets you view or log messages related to the issue, and Meetings ties in your calendar so you can schedule or reference events without leaving Jira. Click the plus icon and choose Start Teams Conversation to chat with your team directly from Jira. This opens a panel where you can begin a thread that's linked back to the issue, keeping your context and decisions together. It helps reduce context switching and keeps history easy to find. When prompted, click Login to link your Outlook account. Sign in with your work credentials through the secure Microsoft sign-in flow. Once connected, your emails and calendar can sync with Jira. From here, you can view or log relevant emails on the issue and schedule meetings that automatically reference the work item, so everyone stays aligned. With that, Jira and Outlook are integrated. You've streamlined project management and communication by bringing messages, meetings, and chats into the place where work gets done. As a tip, test the workflow on a non-critical issue first, and let your team know where to find the Microsoft 365 panel so they can start using it right away. Thanks for watching.